Hello guys, I am IK and thank you for watching my channel. I hope you are doing well. So today we are unboxing another Jordan. This time it's Jordan Big Fund. So let's unbox. Wow. So here you can see a very premium looking Jordan Big Fund in white color. As you can see, the material, the outer material is leather. It's a textured leather. And here you can see the Jumpman Jordan in silver color, silver metal. From the back you can see the number 23, and on a closer look you can see the detail of this basketball Jordan Big Fund is very amazing. As you can see inside the circles, you can see silver color net across all the circles. And here you can see a plain leather. However, here you can see a textured white leather. Here you can see the ear covered across the shoe. A very hard rubber sole for a perfect grip. You can see the Jumpman logo in a red color. Here you can see a black touch on the rubber sole. Here you can see a Jordan in silver color. The inside lining is in a red color with white laces. Here you can see very beautiful, very premium Jordan's Big Font. So here you can see Jordan Big Fonts in complete white color with a touch of red and black. Very premium looking, very amazing, and very attractive basketball shoe. A great collection to your sneakers. Very beautiful. The price range of the Michael Jordan Big Fund is around 200 to 250 US dollars. Very beautiful. I hope you like this video. So until next time with another Nike variant, basketball variant. Take care. Bye bye.